In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video in Canva. If you've ever wanted to bring your designs to life with moving content, embedding a video directly into Canva is a simple and powerful way to do it. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media post, a website mockup, or any other kind of visual project, adding video can make your work much more engaging and dynamic. First, open your design in Canva. This can be an existing project or a brand new one. Make sure you're logged in and that your design is open on the editing screen, where you can see your canvas and all the tools around it. Take a moment to set up your layout or choose a template so you know roughly where you'd like the video to appear later. Now, look for the apps option in the Canva editor. Depending on your screen size, this is usually located on the left-hand side of the screen in the main toolbar. You may see it labeled as Apps or as a small icon that opens the Apps panel. Click on Apps to open the list of available integrations and tools. This is where Canva lets you connect to different services or bring in content from outside sources. Once the Apps panel is open, scroll or search until you find the option called Embed. This is the feature that lets you bring in content from a link, such as a video hosted on a platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported site. Go ahead and click on Embed to open the Embed tool. Now you'll see a field where you can paste a link. In a new tab or window, copy the URL of the video you want to embed. It should be the direct link to the video page, not a shortened or password protected link, so that Canva can access it correctly. Once you've copied the link, return to Canva and paste the link into the embed field. After pasting the link, confirm or click the button to embed. Canva will process the link and then place the video element directly onto your canvas. You can now click and drag to move it, resize it by adjusting the corners, and position it exactly where you want it in your design. When you play back your design in presentation or preview mode, the video will be ready to play right inside Canva.